Hello. Today I will tell you every single thing you need to know about Prostastream before you actually buy this product. I also have two extremely important alerts to help you preserve your health, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you. The first point of attention is be careful with the website you're going to purchase Prostastream from because currently this product can only be sold on its official website. Many people have been scammed trying to buy it from marketplaces like Amazon or eBay. Also, watch out for ads or reviews here on YouTube from people with weird robotic voices saying that they used the product when they actually didn't. That's the main sign you're in trouble. To help you avoid any kind of problem, I am leaving the link to the only official website below in the description of this video. There is something that I found out about this product that nobody tells you, so stay with me until the end of the video to learn more about that. So, what is Prostastream and does it actually work? The answer is yes. With an enlarged prostate, men can have urinary infections and they have to go to the bathroom all the time. It can also cause pain. This is a 100% natural product manufactured in the United States in FDA-approved facilities using the latest technology and equipment. It is the only product in the world with its powerful blend of ingredients. Plus, it is non-GMO and completely safe, and its formula is scientifically tested and proven to reduce and prevent prostate discomfort. This product will definitely bring back your quality of life. It has helped thousands of people, and I'm sure you can have amazing results as well. But don't think that this works like magic. In fact, if someone tells you that, be suspicious because there is no such thing. You need to use the product every single day. Otherwise, you will be frustrated with your results. The best results come when you use the product consistently for 3 months or longer. Therefore, I strongly recommend that you take advantage of one of the larger packages they offer. Since this product is 100% natural, it has no side effects and is produced under the highest quality standards. Also, in case you're worried about whether or not it will work for you, because after all, each body reacts to each product in a completely different way, the supplier gives you a money-back guarantee, so you can actually test the product, and if you don't like it for any reason, or if it doesn't work for you, you can get your money back. That really shows how much the creators of this product trust it. I really hope I helped you with this Prostastream review. Again, remember to be careful with the website you buy it from, and remember to use the product every single day and commit to your treatment. If you liked the video, hit thumbs up for more. Thank you, and good luck to everyone.